What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is Tony Jr. with the Turbo Project. Back in it again. Update. I had the issue with the air-fuel ratio pretty bad. It was at 20 at idle. I got it down to like it's at 17 right now. It was at 16, but I had an flange was leaking. I fixed that. The wastegate, as if you can see, the wastegate. Let me see, using my thing. That pipe right there is not hooked up to the wastegate. It was in open air and I totally forgot about it. So I blocked it off. I made a little custom steel pipe and blocked it off. And then I turned it on. Then I still had a bad air-fuel ratio, bad idle. And then I grabbed, I know you're supposed to use carburetor cleaner to find some leaks. I use this though. While the car was cold, of course, not hot. You don't want it catch on fire. Supposedly it does. Never seen it happen, but whatever. I had my cheap ass eBay catch can over there in the corner, and I sprayed on it, and it freaking leaks. It leaks right down there. So I'm gonna have to open this up and see if I can seal that, because I need this catch can. Right, so after I put that on, I turn on the car. It's idling way better. It's way better. It's steady at 5. I could get it higher. I messed with the throttle cable, so I'll put it back to how it was. God, I hate that VTC. Anyways, it's idling better, but then I notice I have a damn hole on the exhaust manifold. I hate that VTC. I'm telling you guys, next project is a damn rebuild on this motor. But yeah, so now I have to fix that. Don't know how. Probably do some cheap JB Weld. I've seen crazy stuff with JB Weld. And fix that. Fix this oil pan. Get that pipe right there welded still. Which I got a quote for $50 to get that welded. I wish I had my own welder, but unfortunately I don't. But other than that, it's pretty good. I put this right here for the oil line. I put one on the Y-band line because it goes down through all those pipes. I ordered my turbo blanket. Other than that, there's really nothing else, man. I just gotta wait for the knees tune, and then I can put my injectors in. But now I gotta fix that damn exhaust leak, which is right before everything. Never-ending project, guys. But I enjoy it. I love it. Leave any comments, subscribe, hit me up, any questions. Hope you enjoy the videos, especially for all those Nissan guys that want to turbo it. You can do it, bro. Later.